do some arm wrestling. Okay, some sounds can help you move people in different directions. So if we latch on here, get a big shot. So I'm trying to pull Andy and I can't do it, and I'm nearly falling over. Me, and there he comes. Okay. Actually, my fingers that was pulling so hard. And we want to shove him. So I give us a front stance. And I'm here and shove it in. That's not doing it. Ho, and off he goes. And it would seem it is sound that affects the other guy. It's not me modulating a chakra. And it affects chakras on the other person. So if that's the case, we should be able to do it with intent. We don't need the physical sound. So if we go again, and I can't do a thing, and we whack the intent in to hit the same chakras as the sound does. Come to daddy. That's really hard work as well. But as soon as you put the intent in, sorted. Nice one.